各位 T 出嘅觀眾你好，我美娜而家嚟到終審法院現場啦。咁今日一單對於一個性別嗰個認同係一個好深遠嘅影響嘅裁決啦，會出現啦。因為今日就係、就跨性別人士更改身份證上面性別嘅終審裁決，今日會頒布啦。咁就見到當事人啦，就已經入咗去啦。就係、呢個事源係3個跨性別人士嘅跨仔啦，就因為佢哋基於未完成全套手術咧，所以只能夠根據佢哋嘅英國護照同埋 BNO 護照啦，同埋外國護照就唔能夠改香港身份證啦。咁而家今日嘅終審裁決頒布書面判決咧，就會知道個結果啦。呢個判決咧係有好深遠嘅，如果真係如果真係勝訴嘅話，就其實基本上受惠咗好多跨性別人士都可以，尤其是跨仔可以免受一個身體咁傷害嘅下身手術啦，亦都可以令到跨女都可以唔使急住做手術，都可以改身份證嘅性別啦。當然係要提供足夠醫療報，應該都係要提供足夠醫療報告啦，就係、醫生報告啊，醫療報告咁就，因為 BNO 護照就係你提供好醫療報告就可以改到啦。咁啊，而家當事人就入咗去攞書面判決啦。暫時未知嘅，咁等陣就間由當事人謝先生就宣佈結果啦。因為好緊張，因為我自己都可能會有機會受惠嘅。嗱，好似我哋好多跨性別人士，無論跨仔跨女咧，都係未做手術下就英國嗰邊，因為有性別承認法，就我哋交到醫療報告就已經可以更改到我哋 BNO 上嘅性別。香港身份證就仲係話一定要你完整手術。如果呢單終審係贏咗嘅話，其實可以咁啊免除咗一個辛苦咯。同埋嚟緊可能，因為如果呢單贏咗嘅話，就係可能連關於跨性別人士用廁所權嘅司法都有機會唔需要打落去啦。嗱，呢個裁決咧係我哋一眾跨仔跨女兄弟姊妹等待已久嘅終審裁決啦。因為咧真係要做全手術，其實都係個唔人道嘅，都係個唔人道嘅理由嚟嘅，唔人道。而家睇下當事人個判決嗰個點樣啦，而家等緊，而家佢附近一眾媒體都喺度等候緊當事人 Henry 寫出嚟睇個結果啦。 係。咩笑容啊？咦？慢慢。
唔好撲出去啊！
得。
sorry，我叫佢哋啊，我唔係叫佢哋，係啊，即係佢哋啊，唔需要撲出去，大家喺度知道啊。
而家 Henry 就會睇下會唔會好消息公佈咧，睇到個笑容都好。誒，勝訴，耶！哇，勝訴，耶！勝訴啊，耶！Henry 開唔開心啊？
轉頭，我影一陣先。
嗱，勝訴啊！呢個 transgender 改身份證嘅性別係勝訴啊！終審勝訴啊！而家宣布終審勝訴。
係勝訴啊！
終審勝訴。
你中文先啊！好似佢。我有個 statement。可以啊。
你中間，可唔可以企中間？可唔可以企中間啊？我明嘅，我影相先，你哋影相就影相。
我影咗相先，可以啊。
好消息啊！我身份證性別勝訴，終審勝訴。
可以企埋嚟啦，等我影埋你。
你哋影相點啊？
得啦
，OK啊，咁我哋幫咪咯。
企前少少啊！
企前呢度。
我有 statement。
可以啊。
慢慢執翻，我結翻啫，發揮出嚟。
哇！真係
我都睇過笑啲啊。
係啊，我恭喜你喎，真係。
出嚟嗰下，
唔該晒你啊，唔該晒佢。
企呢邊企中間，一企我哋影到企住咗嘛？得唔得？大家遮唔遮？大家遮唔遮？
唔遮。OK。但係咧，阿張條線低少少。OK。
我即係企住，我哋企。好，飽支咪啊！好。好嚟咯。
OK。
好。
我阿張條再低多少少係。多謝晒。
啲咪幾高先？啲咪幾高？
係你俾幾個箱佢睇啦，俾個箱你我。如果唔係佢哋都好心。
我俾個箱你睇。
係啊，唔好意思啊。OK。OK 啊。可以開始。
我要讀呢個。
可以。
我成個讀晒㗎咯喎。
可以啊，可以。
哇！望穿秋水，長達5年以上嘅司法平權馬拉松終於落幕。我有如年輕嘅大衛一樣，無畏無懼咁挑戰巨人哥利亞，幾經辛苦，耗盡心神財力，今日終於成功擊敗咗惡人，爭取翻身份證上嘅男性身份。對於今日終審法院嘅判決，我係歡迎嘅。免術換證案嘅勝訴將會解決我因為錯誤證件而遇到嘅燃眉之急。好似本人咁，香港有好多跨性別嘅朋友，特別係我嘅跨男朋友， 過去咁多年都一直盼望今日嘅終極勝訴。我哋大家都希望唔會再被身份證出櫃，被拒絕入境返到嚟香港呢個屋企，被剝奪同異性結婚同成家嘅權利，喺生活入面處處尊嚴受損。今日嘅結果係 delayed justice， 遲到嘅公義。我會形容佢係慘勝。呢單案件從來唔應該發生。終審法院一早已經喺10年前嘅 W 案入面指出全套重置手術換證條件嘅人道問題，並清楚指出香港應該依照英國成立冇手術條件嘅性別承認法，以避免侵犯跨性別者嘅基本人權。但政府冇跟指示立法不特止，仲要去整一個假嘅性別承認諮詢出嚟。呢個假嘅諮詢全部係由政府嘅傀儡掌控，例如恐同教會人士張達明 Eric 張，仲有 Temple Chambers 嘅黃繼明資深大律師 Stewart Wong SC。黃繼明曾經多次代表政府喺法庭上面反同反跨，包括 W 案同埋我呢單案。呢個法棍一邊永續拖延諮詢，另一邊就喺本案入面接受政府嘅任命，收取巨額報酬。就係因為呢啲貪腐嘅法棍同埋活生生嘅利益輸送，令到性別承認立法一拖再拖，令到我無法換證，永無寧日，最後被逼去司法覆核。免術換證每拖延一日，都係對我同廣大香港跨性別者嘅加深折磨。我喺呢度嚴正要求入境處馬上採用符合國際人權標準嘅免術新證。另外，我亦要求香港政府尊重當日 W 案嘅判決，立即為性別承認立法，唔好再帶頭歧視跨性別者，製造無謂嘅官司，浪費公帑。另外，我要多謝律師嘅團隊 Lord Panic KC、潘希資深大律師、鄧君提大律師、何敦律師行、已關閉嘅韋志達律師行、Diana Rose KC、台灣伴侶文許秀文律師，仲有一路支持我嘅朋友，特別係香港跨男項目幫手倡議嘅兄弟同埋義工，冇大家嘅幫手，今日呢個亞洲跨運歷史分水嶺發生唔到。今日嘅勝訴只係一個階段性嘅勝利，我哋離跨性別平權仲係非常之路遠。我會繼續為跨性別平權努力種樹，喺跨性別平權協會同各位夥伴一齊繼續打拼，相信終有一日我哋會成功迎來彩虹。喺爬呢座平權倡議新一頁嘅另一座山嘅旅途入面，我期望可以繼續見到各位支持者嘅身影，同我一齊互相幫助，一同走下去。我亦都希望大家能夠持續關注跨性別平權嘅未來發展。多謝各位。
咁今次你贏咗
有冇一個英文嘅 statement 啊？
有英文。
好嘢！
我係咪要？我有幾張？我要做英文版。我要再讀第二
我哋再
讀。OK， 總讀下一個。哇！OK， 我要讀晒成篇嘅。The 5-year-long marathon for transjustice has finally come to an end. Like young David, I fearlessly challenged the giant Goliath that is the Hong Kong legal system. After overcoming all the ordeal and challenges, exhausting my energy and financial resources, I have finally defeated the wicked today and successfully defended my dignity and male identity. I welcome the judgment of the Court of Final Appeal. The lawsuit's favorable outcome would solve the burning issue I encountered due to processing a wrong ID. Much like myself, many trans folks in Hong Kong, especially my friends who are trans men, have been longing for today's final victory for years. We have all been dreaming that one day we will no longer be outed by our ID cards. We will not be refused to enter Hong Kong because of the ID. We will have the basic right to enter heterosexual marriages and to start a family like everyone else in Hong Kong. And we can finally live a dignified life in our home. Today's result is delayed justice, a Pyrrhic victory. This very case should never have happened. 10 years ago in the W case, the Court of Final Appeal had already pointed out the inhumanity of the coercive full sex reassignment surgery requirement imposed on transgender people for gender marker changes. It was made clear that Hong Kong should establish a non-surgical gender recognition law in line with the United Kingdom in order to avoid violating the basic human rights of transgender people. Not only have the Hong Kong government neglected the responsibility of legislating, they have also created a fake consultation on gender recognition that has lasted forever and resulted in nothing. The members in this so-called interdepartmental group, i.e. the IWG, are puppets controlled by the state. For instance, David Cheung has close ties with homophobic churches. There is also barrister Stuart Wong SC from the Temple Chambers. Stuart Wong SC has represented the government against LGBT rights in multiple cases, including the W case and my case. He has used his official appointment in the IWG to forever postpone the enactment of gender recognition law, while receiving huge sum of financial reward and more appointments in LGBT cases from the government. This kind of blatant collusion is an utter disgrace. The resulting inaction of gender recognition law enactment has barred me from acquiring a correct ID and has made living a normal life impossible for me in Hong Kong. I had no choice but to eventually launch a judicial review case. The longer the current inhumane gender marker policy lingers, the deeper harm it renders on me and my community. I therefore solemnly demand the Immigration Department to immediately update the current policy to a non-surgical one that complies with international human rights standards. In addition, I demand the state of Hong Kong to respect WK's law, i.e. to enact the gender recognition law as soon as possible and stop wasting taxpayers' money in court fights that its incompetence elicits. I would like to thank my team of lawyers, Law Panic Casey, Hector Pang SC, Earl Deng, Hordain solicitors and notaries, Fiedler and Associates, which have ceased to practice, Diana Rose Casey, Victoria Xu from TAPCPR in Taiwan, all of my friends who have supported me along the way, especially the lads and the volunteers who have helped in the Trans Men in Hong Kong advocacy project. Without them, the historic moment today would not have happened. Today's victory is only a staged victory, and we are still far away from trans equality. I will continue to work hard to plant the seeds for the trans rights movement with my partners at Transgender Equality Hong Kong. I believe that one day we shall succeed and welcome people with open arms. I hope you will continue to follow the development of the movement and in its new chapter and walk alongside me in the quest of trans equality. Thank you all again.
So just tell me, how do you feel today? And what do you think of the court's ruling? Just in simple terms, how do you feel? Tell me.
I've been feeling really nervous in the past few days until I just saw the judgment. I couldn't really make myself to take a stance, to make a solid guess, and it's been really stressful, and I've been following other news to distract myself. I've been following the news of the film to the 19-year-old me. Yeah.
中文可唔可以講幾句？即
係
係當下啱啱睇到嗰份判決書嗰個。
睇到判決書有啲梗係開心啊，或者因為雖然即係一路以嚟都係好有信心嘅，律師團體非常有信心。咁其實本身單案唔應該出現嘅，其實，但係即係你係好有信心，但係即係冇100%把握嘅，你總係有幾個%你係驚輸咗，咁輸咗點咧？即係冇人答到你。你俾我答埋先好唔好？所以就係有驚嘅元素喺度，係咯，俾佢嚇我記咗要講。
咁啱啱即係你見，即係其實今
唔係我驚，唔係即係我驚輸咗，即係因為即係贏咗咁多，我贏咗都係即係因為呢個判決係好 far-reaching， 即係贏咗咁多人惠及好多即係香港廣大嘅即係跨性別朋友啊，咁但係輸咗咁，即係我唔想作為一個拖後腿嘅人，所以都係同埋即係以香港今日嘅環境，即係我自己啦，即係就唔敢抱有100%嘅信心，就係咁樣。
What like the ruling? What does it mean to you individually and as a member of the transgender community? What do you think the court's ruling means to the whole community as well as Hong Kong society in a whole?
It means everything to me, and it means I think it is one of the top priorities in the in terms of trans rights in Hong Kong. So it's not just myself that encounters problems in every side in life. You know, I've told those stories multiple times. Like simple things like going to a public bathroom is impossible for me because I can't go to a male bathroom, and it would be considered a crime of loitering if I use the female bathroom. So now I have a male ID card. It would be a lot easier for me to access gender segregated spaces, and I can use the gym, and if I go to visit my friend in a residential building, I wouldn't be questioned and humiliated by being outed by my ID. That's incongruent to who I am.
即係嚟緊自己會唔會幾時真係換翻嗰個身份證嘅性別，同埋嚟緊見唔見到即係呢個判決出咗之後，對於自己生活嘅影響係點樣嘅？
可以回歸正常嘅生活咯，即係因為太唔正常。過去嗰幾年，即係我係因為呢個錯誤嘅身份證，我係避免咗用好多嘅設施，因為用嘅話會造成好多麻煩。所以即係變相咧，即係我係冇咗好大部分嘅公共生活。即係如果有，即係依家有翻張正確嘅身份證，咁因為香港喺身份證嘅用途係好多，即係變咗我喺正常生活度會解決咗一大部分一大部分嘅燃眉之急。
咁你自己會幾時換？會唔會話有推動？
如果佢一改政策，我會衝去換。即係我已經同我嘅跨男朋友咧約定咗，即係我哋約定咗今日如果贏咗，我哋要搞一個 party 啦。之後如果我哋即係佢即係啱啱，如果佢係一換政策咧，咁我哋就可以一齊去換證。即係呢個就係我同我嘅跨男朋友之間嘅約定，就係咁樣。
可以講少少而家個心情係點樣？
心情，我盡量，即係我已經係因為呢幾個月個幾月咧，即係我係馬不停蹄咁喺度做一啲即係 advocacy 嘅工作啦，即係要把握好呢個咁關鍵嘅時機，所以即係我冇諗，即係我係冇時間，可能真係有心或者無意，即係我係冇太多空間去俾自己嘅情緒出嚟咯。雖然我係即係理性上，我係兩邊都有準備。
其實覺得呢單起事咧，對於香港嗰個跨性別同埋平權嗰方面咧，有啲乜嘢想？
呢個當然係非常之大嘅進步啦。咁但係其實呢個 即係呢個改變呢個免術換證，即係其實嗰個影響係唔止係香港，我諗喺亞洲即係呢個影響都係非常之即係好重要同埋好深遠。即係因為睇翻即係亞洲其實好多嘅法區都係仍然係仲有一啲手續嘅條件，即係除咗台灣之前喺2021年嗰陣時係有勝訴過免術換證案啦，但係即係大部分都係其他地方都係冇。我相信即係今日呢個判決，即係當然係即係可以令香港嘅跨性別者，包括我在內，可以即係喺香港大部分嘅公共生活入面可以回復正常啦。我有啲跨男朋友即係等緊，係要結婚，係要領養，係要仲有即係跟隨住嘅一啲可能伴侶 visa 嘅權利，即係佢哋係完全係 burning issues for them， 即係呢啲就係即係對即係一啲好實際嘅問題咯。我話俾你知，我諗即係除此之外，即係對士氣嚟講係即係好重要，即係唔止係跨性別運動，對於同運嚟講，即係我哋終於都有啲好消息嘅發生啦，即係隔咗咁耐，咁即係我希望即係可以鼓勵下，即係各大嘅盟友、各大嘅即係同志朋友，即係雖然香港即係過去特別呢幾年嘅即係個環境係非常之困難啦，個氣氛真係唔係幾好啦，即係我希望今日嘅勝利可以即係俾佢哋一啲鼓舞，即係等佢哋可以重拾翻啲士氣。
Now that you're able to get an HKID card that can correctly reflect who you are there any activities that you're really looking forward to be able to do?
I'm very looking forward to joining sports again because I've been avoiding all the sports facilities because once you go there you need to use the changing room and that becomes a big problem for me, and I've been repeatedly told, well, I've encountered myself a lot of times as well. I've been told by many of my peers, many of my trans peers that they have problems when they try to use the gym facilities, and they look completely like me. No one would have thought that they're trans men, and still once they show their ID, the counter staff wouldn't let them use the male facilities. They suspect that they would do something inappropriate in the space, which is completely nonsense. And they had to explain to the staff for hours, like, why should we? Well, we are the victims. Why should we have, and we're being punished for being a victim under the current policy. So having today's judgment will change all the situations like that.
You mentioned earlier that your lawyers team expect you and Q would win in the case. How about you personally? Did you expect the winning of this judicial review?
Yeah, expected. Well, I say, yeah, I've been told that we should have we are on the where we have a lot of chance to win, but still, well, I personally still have that little sense of doubt, given how it is in Hong Kong right now. You can't really have there's a lot of uncertainty. I mean, I just couldn't give myself 100% assurance, even though I got repeatedly told by my lawyer, by my legal team. And given the fact that this case really should not have happened. Is there anything you'd like to ask? 我有個
對跨女風氣有幫助。
我覺得呢個問題你問翻專業人士好啲。係，我有 OK。仲有咩
嗱，總之而家係勝訴嘅嗰個跨性人士嗰個新聞嗰度。我相信，既然呢個跨 計勝訴應該跨女都有機會改到嘅，因為都係一平等嘅。好啦，咁就呢度嚟到呢度啦，多謝各位，美娜終審法院現場報道。